Hi everyone, it was a pleasure to be invited by Yugabyte today to talk about how OCBC leverages on YugabyteDB. My name is Ken Moy. I lead the full stack and ML engineering team in OCBC. My team is responsible for the end-to-end strategy, development, and operationalization of AI platform solutions in OCBC Group Data Office, which is the center of excellence for data analytics. OCBC, for some who are not familiar with, is the second largest financial services group in Southeast Asia. Known with its strong credit ratings and deep understanding of the Asian market, OCBC offers a comprehensive suite of financial solutions for individuals, businesses, and corporations across its extensive network across ASEAN and Greater China. In today's hyper-connected world, the banking industry is going through a systematic shift. Customers expect seamless digital experience and personalized services. For OCBC, meeting these demands means embracing aggressive digital transformation. It involves moving beyond legacy systems that were built for a different era and adopting modern, agile, and resilient technologies. In OCBC, we started our distributed relational database journey with Yugabyte back in 2023. Today, it has powered over 20 internal and external facing use cases. For instance, our personalized unit trust insights for the mobile app, which leverages on machine learning models to analyze the market volatility and a customer-specific risk profile in order to recommend unit trust products that are most relevant to each customer based on their desired balance of risk and return. Or even our GenAI-powered customer relationship management app for OCBC relationship managers. It summarizes over 200,000 pages of internal and external research each day, providing GenAI-generated talking points for relationship managers of various asset types. This enables our relationship managers to discuss various assets in the market with our customers in greater confidence. But that's not all. In today's agenda, I will mainly cover two important use cases, which maximizes the capability of YugabyteDB in addressing real-world problems for the bank. First topic of the day, unlocking personalization, hyper-personalization at scale with Yugabyte. Before I go into the technical implementation, let me share a bit of background on what's hyper-personalization. Hyper-personalization is an advanced marketing strategy which leverages on real-time data and machine learning to deliver a highly relevant and individualized experience to customers. It goes beyond traditional personalization by considering a wide array of dynamic data points to understand individuals' customer behaviors, predict future needs, and tailor content, offers, and interactions at real time. Okay, let's imagine a scenario with crispy donuts and how the store leverages on hyper-personalization to make Sam's experience uniquely his. Well, in a traditional personalization context, Sam signs up for a loyalty program. He gets an email on his birthday for a free treat, and he receives generic promotions like buy one get one free on any donut. Does this sound familiar to you? I'm sure you've experienced the same. As you can see, this approach is rather generic and have been used in many stores. To take things up a notch, Crispy Donuts adopt hyper-personalization to tailor-make every customer's experience. Combining data from customers' transaction history, contextual data, behavior data, and stated preference, Crispy Donuts can offer a hyper-personalized experience. For instance, when Sam is walking down Orchard Road at 9 in the morning, he receives a push notification from Crispy Donuts which says, "Good morning, Sam. Your usual half-dozen donuts is ready for collection. Tap here to confirm." Hyper-personalization isn't just about knowing Sam's name. It's about anticipating his order to offer a truly relevant suggestion at the right moment and adapting to his future preference based on every interaction. Being a leading financial institution in Singapore and the region, OCBC is well positioned to leverage hyper-personalization to service its customer base across various life stages. Hyper-personalization for OCBC would mean moving beyond broad segmentation to truly understand the individual within that segment based on their unique financial behaviors, goals, and contextual needs. Now let's look at how OCBC implements hyper-personalization. Leveraging on real-time data and AI, we are able to deliver highly relevant and individualized experiences to each and every customer. It goes beyond traditional personalization by considering a wide array of dynamic data points, including customer demographic data, such as customer age, gender, location, income level, and life stages, customer behavioral data such as browse history, search queries, clickstream, customer transaction data such as purchase history, order frequency, subscription plan, and many more, in order to understand individual customer behavior, predict future needs, as well as tailor content, offers, and interaction in real time. The goal is to treat each customer as a segment of one, delivering content, product recommendations, and messages that are uniquely tailored to their need and preference at that precise moment. In OCBC, we combine the use of real-time data stream and comprehensive batch data set to achieve hyper-personalization. Real-time data captures the current moment, such as recent transaction, a browse session on OCBC web pages, or a quick search on our unit trust product. This data is fresh, immediate, and tells us what's happening right now. It's about the agility and responsiveness in capturing these opportunities. Batch data, on the other hand, provides the entire narrative of the customer. For example, the years of transaction history, a long-term savings plan, historical investment performance, demographic information, and the evolution of financial goals over time. This data is rich and comprehensive enough to reveal patterns and trends. Hence, customer datasets are used to train the machine learning model on a daily basis to score each of the interactions for our customers. These interactions can be credit card product, loans product, blue chip investment plan, and more. From there, the machine learning model will table a set of recommendations for our customers. These results are then stored in YugabyteDB and exposed via REST API for downstream clients' consumption. On the real-time aspect, whenever a customer triggers an event, such as browsing on OCBC credit card promotions on the website, will be captured by the system, which means that every single real-time interaction, every personalized recommendation, and every customer response generate new data. This real-time data is then fed back into our data pipelines and eventually incorporated into daily batch processing cycles for retraining our machine learning model. This creates a feedback loop where real-time actions refine batch insights and batch insights improve real-time recommendation. Imagine that you are browsing OCBC website. Perhaps you are looking through credit card promotions, comparing cashback cards, or maybe you have clicked on specific travel rewards card. This digital footprint of yours is an immediate real-time indicator of your current interests and potential need. What you explore, even just for a few seconds, isn't lost. In fact, it becomes a crucial signal which helps our machine learning model to refine our personalized recommendation you received. The dynamic interplay between customer real-time digital footprint and comprehensive financial history all seamlessly processed and analyzed on Yugabyte-powered platform, which means that we can anticipate our customer needs, delivering insights that are relevant and intuitive, moving from one-size-fits-all approach to a highly personalized interaction for our customers. We've explored the sophisticated dance between real-time in-signals, comprehensive batch data, and machine learning all orchestrated on our platform to deliver hyper-personalization. I'm proud to share that this initiative is already live and delivering results right here in Singapore. This means that many of our valued customers in Singapore may have already experienced the benefit of personalized recommendation, whether it's through a credit card promotion offer that felt rightly timed, or unit trust insights that resonate with your financial goals. Hyper-personalization isn't just a theoretical exercise, it's a strategic imperative for OCBC, and the results are incredibly compelling. With hyper-personalization, we have achieved 2 to 4 times uplift on clicks and conversion, especially on our personalized recommendation banner on OCBC mobile app. This uplift is not just a one-off achievement, it's a foundation shift in how OCBC interacts with its customers. Building on the success and learnings from our implementation, we are currently porting these hyper-personalization capabilities to Malaysia and Hong Kong. We've explored how real-time data empower us in delivering hyper-personalized experience, but there's another, even more critical dimension where real-time data is absolutely non-negotiable. That is, real-time scam prevention with YugabyteDB. Scams are a huge concern globally, and they are in Singapore. Locally, the total amount lost to scams hits a new high of $1.1 billion in 2024, which is a 7% increase from year 2023. In 2024 alone, there were more than 51,000 reported cases of scam, marking the first time an annual loss of scam crossing the $1 billion mark. Of this sum, the police were able to recover about $182 million. Scammers are becoming more sophisticated, leveraging on AI, social engineering, and the rapid transaction methods to exploit the vulnerabilities in system as well as in human behavior, which leads to financial losses and becoming a greater challenge for prevention. Traditional scam detection systems, which rely on batch processing or simply looking at isolated transactions, are no longer sufficient. To effectively combat scams, we need to operate at the speed of the scammer itself. That means that real-time detection and intervention. While we talk about the critical role of real-time data in fighting scams, but to truly appreciate the power of these solutions, it is important for us to understand the challenges financial institutions faces every single day. Some of the key challenges include explosive data volume. Imagine the sheer amount of data a major bank like OCBC processes daily. Millions of transactions, billions of data points from deposit, withdrawal, online transfer, card payments, and many more. Processing, storing, and analyzing this enormous, ever-growing torrent of data is a challenging task. To add to that, data silos and integration complexities lead to data being trapped in disparate systems. Integrating these disparate data sources itself is an enormous technical and operation challenge already. On the system level side, the need for real-time processing is imminent. Scam, in particular, happens in milliseconds. A scammer can drain an account before a batch processing system even begin analyzing the transactions. The challenge is to process, analyze, and act as soon as the data arrives. As OCBC customer number continues to grow, it's important that we scale up systems fast enough to meet increasing demands. And especially for scam prevention system, the system must be always on, always available. There can be no downtime, no system outage, even for a few minutes. These challenges are immense, and it's precisely the reason why OCBC have made strategic investment in a modern data foundation. YugabyteDB directly addresses some of these pain points. Engineered for real-time processing and low latency, Yugabyte is perfect in making data instantly available for our scam detection system. Combined with machine learning models' real-time inferencing capability, we can achieve end-to-end scam detection in under 65 milliseconds. YugabyteDB's distributed nature handles massive data volumes with ease by sharding the data across multiple nodes. More importantly, its built-in high availability and resilience ensure that our scam prevention systems are continuously operational, even during system upgrades, protecting our customer 24/7 without interrupt, giving us engineers as well a peace of mind. The scam detection system consistently contributes to a significant portion of the total amount triggered by all fraud rules each month. This indicates its effectiveness in identifying and preventing fraudulent activities. While the percentage of total amounts triggered by scam detection system varies each month, the overall trend indicates that the scam detection system is consistently effective in identifying and preventing fraudulent transactions, providing a key benefit in safeguarding our customers against financial losses. One crucial part that it significantly reduces is the amount of false alerts in the system, reducing up to 70% of unnecessary customer frictions from transaction block false hits. We've just seen the immense hurdles that stand in the way of real-time scam prevention and comprehensive hyper-personalization. Faced with these challenges, OCBC embarked on a rigorous evaluation process in finding a modern data foundation that not only meets today's demanding requirements, but also future-proofing our operations. And after extensive research and proof of concept, we landed on YugabyteDB as a strategic choice for OCBC. It wasn't just one feature that we liked, but a powerful combination of capabilities which addresses our most pressing needs. Traditional relational database like Postgres offer strong transactional consistency, but often struggle with horizontal scalability and high availability. NoSQL, on the other hand, offers scalability and flexibility, but often compromise in transactional consistency. YugabyteDB stands out as a distributed SQL database which combines the best of both worlds. With a strong PostgreSQL compatibility, means that our developers can leverage on existing SQL skills and tools with minimal learning curve. By reducing the risks associated to adopting the new database technology, it allows our team to be productive from day one. For the real-time scan detection and hyper-personalization, low latency and strong data consistency are paramount. YugabyteDB stands out for its exceptional performance, delivering rapid reads and writes with low latency, all while maintaining stringent ACID compliance across a distributed environment. And for a bank, downtime is simply not an option. YugabyteDB's built-in high availability and resilience means that even during planned maintenance and upgrades, our services remain available with zero downtime and zero data loss. In essence, OCBC chose YugabyteDB because it offered a robust platform that directly addresses the core challenges in modern banking. This strategic choice is a cornerstone of OCBC's commitment to innovation and being the leading financial partner for our customer. Thank you.